In today's news, we have your daily dose of global panic, pundits on repeat, and the same headlines looping through multiple news cycles. Now, in different fonts. I mean, come on. Is any of this even real? You know, the background isn't. Let's change the news. What if news didn't come from studios and newsrooms, but from the people already there when it happens? No agendas, no fancy equipment, no experience needed. Just real people telling real stories. The parent at the school board meeting, your neighbor who was caught in a storm, the person who just happened to be there when something important unfolded. All you need is your phone to show us what's happening. Record what you see, send it to us, and our production team will help you turn it into a story. If you're tired of the noise, the spin, and the same narratives on an endless loop, help us tell stories that matter. Change the news. Become a field messenger.